Good morning children, Sairam. Today we are going to start with Active English. Chapter number 8, Part 2. Now in Part 1 we studied about 2, only 2. Now in Part 2 we'll study about 2 for 2. You can see in red color 3 words, 2 for 2. Now what is 2 over here? 2 is an adverb and it means very, right? Too big, too small. Okay, now what is for? Now for is used as a preposition and it is used to indicate the person or thing that something is sent or given to, or that indicates something is meant to be used with. Now what is to? To is an adverb and it is also used as preposition as well. Now it is used to indicate place, person or thing that someone or something moves towards. Now we will understand this with exercise, how to use these 3 words in the sentence while joining the sentence. Now read the heading. Join the sentences together using 2 for 2. Now our first question is, the box was too big. Prem could not carry it. Now these are 2 sentences. The first sentence is, the box was too big. And the other sentence is, Prem could not carry it. The box is too big, so that is why Prem is not able to carry it. Now we have to make it only one sentence. We have to join the sentence, and what we have to use while joining the sentence? 2 for 2. Now we are going to write the first sentence as it is because TOO2 is already written in it. The box was too big. So the box was too big for whom? For Prem. To do what? To carry. Now we are not going to use any negative word in this sentence. We are not going to use not while writing the sentence, while joining the sentence. And we are not going to write it because we have already written the box in the start of the sentence. So the box was too big for Prem to carry. Let's see the answer. The box was too big for Prem to carry. Let's jump on the second one. See the question. The chair was too big. Maya could not lift it. The chair was too big. In the picture you can see the chair, how big it is. The chair was too big. Maya could not lift it. Lift means to pick it up. So she is not able to pick it up. Now how we are going to write the sentence? The chair was too big. We are going to write this first one as it is. For whom? For Maya. To do what? To lift. So we are not going to use could, we are not going to use not, we are not going to write it. Okay. So how we are going to write is, the chair was too big for Maya to lift. Let's check the answer. The chair was too big for Maya to lift. Right? Now see the third one. The writing was too small. Even I am not able to read it. Okay, the writing was too small. We could not read it. The writing was too small. We could not read it. Now see the first sentence we are going to write as it is because already 2 is there inside. The writing was too small. For whom? For we. No, we are not going to write for we. So we are going to change the pronoun for us. Us will become, we will become us. The writing was too small for us to read. The writing was too small for us to read. Let's check the answer. The writing was too small for us to read. Now see the fourth one. The shirt is too small. I cannot wear it. The shirt is too small. I cannot wear it. So how we are going to write it? Yes, we will write the first sentence as it is. The shirt is too small. For whom? For I. So I am going to change that I into for me. The shirt is too small for me to wear. Let's check the answer. The shirt is too small for me to wear. Correct? Now see the fifth one. The sum was too difficult. The children could not do it. The sum was too difficult. The children could not do it. So how we are going to write it now? Even I can see the sum, it is very difficult, right? So how we are going to write the sentence now? Yes, the first statement as it is. The sum was too difficult. For whom? For the children. The sum was too difficult for the children to do. The sum was too difficult for the children to do. Let's check. The sum was too difficult for the children to do. Correct? Now see the sixth one. The book is too difficult. He cannot read it. I'll repeat again. The book is too difficult. He cannot read it. The child is so tensed because he is not able to read the book. Okay, so how are you going to write the sentence now? Yes, first sentence as it is. The book is too difficult. For whom? Now here we are going to not write like for he. So he will change into for him. The book is too difficult for him to do what? To read. The book is too difficult for him to read. Let's check. The book is too difficult for him to read. Now children, let's do activity part. Okay, are you all ready? You have to think it and reply, or you can take out your book. I'll wait for you. You can write the answer and then later you can check it out. Okay, so again the same exercise you're going to do it, but here you are going to write the answer in your books. Now again the same heading, join the sentences together using 2 for 2. And your question is, the bundle of sticks is too thick. They cannot break it. I'll repeat. The bundle of sticks is too thick. They cannot break it. I'll wait for you till you complete your answer. Yes, very good. You can pause even if you want more time. Okay? Yes, and the answer is the bundle of sticks is too thick for them to break. You have written for they, right? So it's wrong. For them. The bundle of sticks is too thick for them to break. Let's check the answer. The bundle of sticks is too thick for them to break. Right? Now see the second one. The box was too wide. We could not carry it through the door. The box was too wide. We could not carry it through the door. Now how we are going to write it? You can pen it down. Come on. Yes, the box was too wide. Come on. Yes, you have written the first statement as it is, but what about the another one? Yes, I'll show you. The box was too wide for us to carry through the door. You have to complete the sentence. The box was too wide for us to carry through the door. Right? Now see the third one. The dot was too small. We could not see it. Are you able to see the dot on the screen? It is there, but you all are not able to see. The dot was too small. We could not see it. So how we are going to write the answer now? Yes, very good. The dot was too small for us to see. Very good. Well done. The dot was too small for us to see. Now see the fourth one. The bag was too heavy. They could not carry it. The bag was too heavy. They could not carry it. How are you going to write it? Are you all writing? Yes. The bag was too heavy for them to carry. It was so easy. The bag was too heavy for them to carry. Let's check the answer fast. The bag was too heavy for them to carry. Correct? Thank you.